Yo, what up guys, Xiaomi here. I'm recording an unboxing video finally on the NG Boss YouTube channel. I want to do more of this in this year 2025. We're starting off this year with a Redmi 14c mobile device, one that I got off Jumia, our local retailer here in Nigeria, and you can buy it from your favorite store, right? So in this video, let's see what's in this pack, what this phone can basically do for you. It comes in 3 variants, not just colors, 3 variants in terms of the RAM, storage. So when you see the prices differ, make sure you know which one you're buying. That's going to be the biggest difference between the price I tell you for this one and the price you find in the market. There is a 4 gig variant, which is the lowest, 4 gig RAM, and 6 gig version, and of course the 8 gig version. I got this one, and at the end I'll tell you the price, of course. Let's open the pack and see what's in it. So make sure when you get it, it's totally sealed. It has not been opened. You have to tear off the wrapper by yourself. I'll need something sharp though. Hopefully we can do more unboxing videos in the new year on this NG Boss YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you're interested in games, I post daily game videos, Raid, Shadow Legends, live streams on the Twitch, also on my Bricks 5D YouTube channel. So I wanted to see if I can revive the NG Boss YouTube channel also with more tech related content, right? Which is what this channel is all about. Not just unboxing videos, tech related content in general. So that's the wrapper. Redmi 14c. Hope it's clear enough. I'm not using my big cam. Is it still sealed after the pack? Wow, this is so tightly sealed. Okay, it's open now. See, that's the phone. Redmi 14c. I thought they'll add Pro to the end, because if phones are made in 3 variants, 4 gig, 6 gig, and 8 gig variant of RAM, this 8 gig variant should have the Pro name attached to it, while others have a different name attached to it, because it could easily be mistaken for anybody who is going to buy it in the market. They buy the 4 gig variant and see that it's not performing as fast as these ones are. So I think they should have differentiated the names when they are putting these phones in the market. 4 gig, 6 gig, and 8 gig RAM versions of one device shouldn't have all the same name, Redmi 14c. There are different versions of it, and definitely the performance will be different. So before you buy it, that's the biggest thing you have to take note of. On the phone, in the pack, you first of all have the phone, which I'll put to the side right here. Let's see what else is in the pack, so you know what you're getting when you buy this. What's in here? Hopefully it comes with a charger, cable, and headphones, because these days some phones don't come with all the accessories you need. This one comes with even a pack for you to protect your phone with. So this is a silicone pack. It's not like glass or a strong one. You do need to have a better one than this that is going to save your phone from falls, right? This can work for now. Check out the camera. How many cameras? 4. These cameras are not on the side like most phones. It's right in the middle. Hopefully when you put the phone down, it doesn't touch, because that's what I don't like about this type of cameras. When you put the phone down, does it scratch? Man, it's so huge. It's like fully extended. This is all glass. Hopefully the camera is in there, while this big thing right here is just like glass, because it's not gonna scratch. I can see a difference between this camera and this part. So if it's gonna scratch, it will most likely be at the edge right here. Hopefully, because nothing hurts more than putting down your phone and it's touching the edge. That's one thing I have to notice about phones when you buy it. You think your camera is bad. No, you just place it down so many times that you have scratches on the back of your phone now. on the camera. All right, it coincides with this one. So that means not every pack will work for this. It's not like one of those phones where you have a back cover that just works fine. This one must use a special back cover for it that has this huge circle for the camera slots to go into. If you do not protect your phone, get ready to replace your screen at a higher cost, sometimes even half the cost of the phone's price. So take note, please put that pack in for now. Even if you don't like the color. Yes, speaking about color, this device comes in 3 different colors, and this is the midnight black. No, the midnight black is the second one I ordered. This is gonna be the sage green. This is sage green. They do have the dreamy purple and the starry blue. So 5 different colors: midnight black, sage green, dreamy purple, and starry blue. So depends on the one you want. It just applies to the back, like the color is only seen at the back. You can't really notice the color from the front. So now let's talk what else is in the pack before I'm done. This is your SIM tray, something you use to pop out the SIM tray. Probably should do it before I put the phone into its pack, right? Then I'll see what else is in the box. Where do you have the SIM pack? Right there at the corner. Just a little push, and so you got slots for SIM 1, SIM 2, and an extended storage device, memory card. Let me slot in my SIM. MTN and Airtel. This is not my device, by the way. I still use a off-brand. What's his name? Almost looks similar. Umidigi Bison. That's the device I still use till now. Alright, SIMs are in. I've not powered the phone on first. Just wanted to make sure the SIMs are in. 2 slots, 2 SIM slots. You don't need to put 2 SIM slots, obviously. You could put in 1. No extended memory right there, but you can have up to. The device itself has 256 gigabytes of internal storage. So if you want to extend it, you can. So they say you can even support memory extension up to 16 gig. That is for the RAM, can be extended up to 16 gig. Depends on the device though. Total height of the device 171. We don't care about all this height and width, thickness. It's a normal phone, right? You can already tell the colors that are available. I'm checking this out from what they say about their device. Color, contrast ratio, color depth, brightness, refresh rate, all those is irrelevant. And 50 megapixels main camera. Now that's something that people care about. 50 megapixels of main camera, that's something that definitely would, you want to take note of before you're even buying a device. 5 megapixel 5p lens, f1.8 auxiliary lens, film camera, HDR mode, night mode, portrait mode, 50 megapixel mode, and time-lapse mode. For the rear camera, 1080p, that is up to 1920 1080p, 30 fps, or you got a 720 resolution of 1280, 720, 30 fps also. Front camera, f2.0 aperture, film camera, it still has all those mode, and soft light ring, portrait mode, front camera recording. One of the things that most people get phones these days is for good pictures. If your phones can't take good pictures, you feel like you didn't spend your money in the right way. So that's something you have to know, that this particular Redmi 14c, the camera is good. Most people say the 13c is still better than this one, but I have not used the 13c, so I can't really attest to that. Battery, USB Type-C charging. Does the USB come in the pack? I've not seen everything is in the pack first. You got some manuals that you can take a look at in several languages. Redmi safety information. Put that to the side. This is the charger it comes with. USB. So if you have other phones that you want to charge with this, maybe you can, but this is dedicated for this one. It's not advised to use your charger head for a different phone, even if it has a easily accessible USB slot that works with any other device. The power rating might be different. This is 33 watt, by the way. You can peel this off or not, but I prefer you peel it off so it doesn't, you know, these things can get heated and this wrapper begins to stick to it. Yeah. Seems like it's going to be a long-lasting charger that's going to last you years and not smoke up and get spoiled easily. So that's the charger, and comes with a cable also. And this is going to be the Type C, USB Type C cable. So this goes in the charger, and the other side is going to be the Type C. That goes in the phone. It's recommended to charge your device to full the first time before you start using it. Before you begin to set it up, press it, just leave it to charge for at least up to 100%. So I'm gonna do that later, but for now I think we're gonna power on the device and see what goes, how it looks. Yeah, welcome screen. What else is in the pack? Nothing else. It's empty. So that's all you get with it. Some manuals, charger and cable. No earphone. No earphone. That's quite sad. So it doesn't come with an earphone to use to listen to music. I thought it was supposed to come with one. Oh no. We put this back so I don't lose it. There you go.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it